Hi guys, welcome back. Crow, the dynamic sub-brand under the Cradiac by Umbrella, is back with a thrilling release. Get ready to be amazed by all new, the 24 Speed Shimano MTB Crow Fusion.
Let's dive into the details. Crow Fusion MTB is built with robust 18-inch alloy frame. Whether you are tackling mountain trails, unpowered surface or flat terrains, this Unit 6 promises a smooth and energetic ride. Crow Fusion boasts a striking blue color scheme. Fusion of the color and graphic on the top tube add a fresh and perspective to the frame. The 24-speed MTB is equipped with Shimano Altus M310 front derailleur and Shimano Acera M3020 rear derailleur. The Crow Fusion is tailored for swift and extended ride. The Shimano Altus M315 shifters ensure seamless gear transition. This MTB is equipped with 8-speed Shimano cassette. These features ensure optimal performance and adaptability during your ride. This bike comes with 2-speed option, 21 and 24 speed, and this is a 24-speed variant. One of its standout features is the Zoom Acera alloy suspension lockout, which not only adds to the cyclist's lightweight design but also transforms off-road riding with smooth and effortless experience. The dual disc brake provides robust and balanced stopping power, enabling you to navigate even the most challenging and wet trails. The comfortably wide-curved handlebar grants you a superior control over your movements, reducing strain. The MTB has alloy brake levers. It also features a 125mm grip with palm support. The ergonomically designed saddle with its ideal length and width enhance your riding experience. It also has a quick release feature. The seat post is alloy. The Fusion gets a pair of 29-inch nylon tires, ensuring a smooth commute with excellent traction on rugged roads. The double-wall alloy rim offers a performance advantage over single-wall option.
The bicycle has alloy seal hub bearing with quick release at the front and rear hub, allowing for easy removal and installation of wheel without the need for tools. Finally, the Crow Fusion is an outstanding choice to take your adventure to the next level. Ride with style and distinction on the Crow Fusion.
Subscribe our YouTube channel for more reviews. For additional details, please click on the link in the description.